we're at the Cultural Center in Loíza, and just came back from Samuel's art studio, which I would highly recommend. He's a great guy. Nice to meet him. He's really nice. And just he signed his artwork for us, so it was just a really nice time. So I would highly recommend that studio. This is actually down the road from his studio, and it's a beach. Doesn't look like much of a swimming beach. There's nobody in the water. It is hot today, like 100 degrees, but the waves are really high, so that's probably why no one's in the water. A lot of culture activities going on here, and it looks like they do dancing the Bomba here as well.
Welcome to a journey through the heart of Loíza, Puerto Rico, a place where the Caribbean's vibrant hues meet a rich cultural tapestry. Today, we explore the hidden gem of Villa Pesquera Herrera, a culinary and cultural beacon in this enchanting town. Nestled in the scenic landscapes of Loíza, Villa Pesquera Herrera isn't just a restaurant, it's a celebration of tradition and art. Run by the passionate duo Felicita Diaz and Eddie Rivera, this place is a tribute to Loíza's soul. Here, every dish tells a story, sourcing fresh seafood directly from local fishermen. The restaurant brings the true flavors of the Caribbean to your plate. But it's not just about food, it's also about art.
I am having Loíza's bottled ice cream because it's hot though. But honestly, it's a gorgeous day. This is a whole vibe and a little bit different than like Bahamas. It's more laid back. This is the local shop. Like you can tell by the prices too, because we've been staying in the Old San Juan. Old San Juan is expensive compared to this. Like seriously, a arepa, $2 for an arepa. Old San Juan, I think they're like $8, 8 to 10. But anyway, very, very reasonably priced, beautiful location right up along the beach, and this was recommended by the tourist agency. So we're gonna check this out and hopefully see the cave after this, and then more beaches, obviously, and then we'll get going back to Old San Juan because we have dinner reservations for dancing tonight. Excited about that. Stay tuned.
Eddie Rivera, a local painter, envisioned this spot as a stage for Loíza's vibrant art scene. Loíza, known for its rich African heritage, pulsates with rhythms of Bomba and Plena, genres rooted deeply in its history. The town's artists capture these rhythms in vivid colors and bold strokes, each piece echoing stories of generations. Meet the artists, hear their stories, and see how Villa Pesquera Herrera is more than a restaurant. It's a living gallery, a place where culture, history, and cuisine intertwine.
Tasty and breakfast. They're definitely different than the ones I was making at home. They're not bad. Be nice though. Good.
Mofongo is a traditional Puerto Rican dish with rich flavors and a unique texture. It's primarily made from green plantains, which are peeled, sliced, and fried until they're golden brown. Once fried, these plantain slices are mashed with garlic, salt, and olive oil, often in a mortar and pestle, which is key to achieving its characteristic texture.
Alright, so this is mofongo, traditional Puerto Rican dish, which I've never had before, so I'm tasting it. I did have chicken mofongo. This is for the first time, it's plantains and chicken. Oh, chicken's over here. I was expecting the chicken to be inside, but sometimes they make it like that. I'll put some little sauce on that. That's good. Honestly, it tastes like mashed potatoes. The sauce is really good, though. Like mashed potatoes.
Mofongo can be served in various ways. It's commonly filled or topped with meats like chicken or beef, and occasionally seafood, which are cooked in a savory sauce. Mofongo is not just a culinary delight, but also a cultural symbol, representing a blend of the island's Taino, African, and Spanish culinary influences. Before the European colonization, the region of Loíza was inhabited by the Taino people. Their influence is still seen in many aspects of Puerto Rican culture. With the arrival of the Spanish in the 16th century, African slaves were brought to the island. Many of these slaves were taken to the northern coastal regions, including Loíza. Some enslaved Africans escaped and formed communities of freed people known as cimarrones. Loíza became a significant center for these communities. Loíza is renowned for its rich African heritage in music and dance, particularly Bomba and Plena. These musical styles, often performed on the beaches, have deep African roots and are integral to Loíza's cultural identity. The town is famous for its annual Fiestas de Santiago Postal, a vibrant festival with bomba music, traditional dances, and colorful costumes. The beach often serves as a backdrop for these celebrations. Artistic expressions like mask making for the festival, featuring the iconic Vigilante mask, are deeply rooted in Loíza's culture. Loíza's beaches have long been central to its fishing industry, a key aspect of the local economy and way of life. In recent decades, the beaches of Loíza have attracted tourists, leading to a mix of development and conservation efforts.
Alright, here we are in Loíza, enjoying this day. It actually looks like it's getting ready to rain, but the waves are high and the food was great, and yeah, we're enjoying it.
Despite its rich culture, Loíza faces challenges like economic disparity and the impacts of natural disasters which affect its coastal areas significantly. There is a strong community drive to protect and preserve Loíza's unique cultural heritage, including its beach traditions. Cultural events and educational programs are aimed at keeping the history and traditions of Loíza's beaches alive, especially among younger generations. The beaches of Loíza are not just natural landscapes, they are living spaces where history, culture, and community life intertwine, reflecting the resilience and vibrant spirit of its people. As the sun sets over Loíza's picturesque landscapes, I invite you to experience this unique blend of taste, art, and heritage. Villa Pesquera Herrera is not just a destination, it's an experience that stays with you. Come, be a part of Loíza's story.